Akiaria thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Olchoro gicigo kia ubunge kia Narok ya rugongo, murugamiriri wa gikundi kia World Vision mwena ucio Joseph Tinkoi ni ugite ciiko cia kugimaria na kuhikithia ciana nini cia airitu riu ni ithiite thi thengia wa gukorwo kuri na aikari mararumirira unduire ucio muhituke ni mahinda.
We were able to ensure that children and the community are able to access water within close range. Like for example, we have Olchoro water dam. Before the construction of that dam, there was a conflict over the resource by the community. But now there is adequate water in that dam, and that conflict ended because of the abundance of water as a result of the work that World Vision did with the community. We also have a construction of classrooms in several schools within this program area, and we've been able to also start early childhood education centers, where in an effort to ensure that we are bringing services or education closer to the children.
Tinkoi ni oritie Aikari mageria kuhurana na unduire ucio ginya aria matigitwo na thutha metekire gutiga unduire ucio.
We have community structures that are now following up. We have empowered and capacity built them to be able to ensure that that one is eliminated completely. We are also working closely with the church, and we have handed over to the church this responsibility to follow up and ensure that all child protection issues are addressed.
Gikundi giki ni kiratirihire mihango yao mwena ucio kuria makoretwo magitungatira aikari a Narok kwa ihinda ria miaka 14. Ngiripotera ceceni ya Kameme TV, getwo Njeri wa Kamau.